Welcome to our ArmSoM family. In today's video, we are excited to take you through the system flashing demo. For our powerful Sige7 development board, the universal method shown applies to other boards too. Scroll down and click on the flashing documentation to find tool and system downloads. Download the necessary firmware and tools for the Sige7. The balenaEtcher tool, available on its official website, is used for SD card system flashing. Before flashing, install the RK driver assistant by unzipping and running driver install file. Open RKDevTool to set the Sige7 to flashing mode. Hold the MASKROM button while powering the device. The tool will recognize the MASKROM device automatically. We flash the official Debian image. Select the image to upgrade. And the flashing begins. After a successful download, the board boots automatically. An ADB device prompt on the tool page means you can communicate with the Sige7 using ADB tools. Type ADB shell to connect. Next, we show how to erase eMMC using the tool with the command. The eMMC content is clear once a loader device is detected. Lastly, we demonstrate flashing a third-party system using the RK tool. Select the mini loader or an image files. And after a while, the software confirms the download is complete. For third-party systems, connect an HDMI display and power on the device to set up your account and password.